We are going to start base today. As acids we have already done. Bases are those substances which give OH negative ions on dissociation in water. These OH negative ions are called hydroxide ions. We can understand it with the example of NaOH. When NaOH dissociates in water, it gives Na positive and OH negative ions. These are called hydroxide ions, and this dissociation takes place only in water. Apart from it, we can also consider general properties of acids, and we can define with it as they are bitter in taste, they are soapy in touch, and they also turn red litmus to blue. These are the general properties of bases which we can discuss. We can also classify bases on the basis of following. As first one is on the basis of ionization. So as we know, those bases which ionize completely in water are called strong bases. For example, NaOH is a strong base. It dissociates completely to give OH negative ions in water. And such reactions are written by writing this single arrow as we have written in case of acids also. And weak base are those bases which do not dissociate completely in water. As we can also write some acids as, just a minute, as we can also represent it with the example of weak base, that is calcium hydroxide, or some other bases are also there. When they dissociate, they do not completely dissociate, and that's why such reactions are written by showing two arrows, and it gives OH negative ions in this case. But two reversible arrows are shown for indicating such type of reaction. Second is on the basis of basicity. On the basis of basicity, as we can define it on the basis of acidity, and we can write it as monobasic, dibasic and tribasic. इसको बोल अपने नाम से एंटर कर, टिक करके कह दे यार, जल्दी बोलो, माइक म्यूट है। हेलो हेलो कर दे, मैसेज कर दे। as we can write monobasic. Monobasic bases are those which usually give or ionize to give only one OH negative ion like NaOH, KOH. As you can see in their formula, there are only one OH is present, whereas diacidic bases will be those which contain in their formula as two OH negative ions. You can see here example of calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, etc. And triacidic bases are those which contain three OH groups present in the formula like aluminium hydroxide, AlOH whole thrice. Then you will write their dissociation, you will get the number of OH negative ions accordingly. And next is on the basis of concentration. As we have already done this in case of acids, concentrated bases and dilute bases. As we know, in concentrate base, it has more amount of base or alkali, whereas in case of dilute, it has less amount of alkali in it and it contains more water. Here I am using two terms, bases and alkali. All those soluble bases are called alkalis. Fine. So if they are soluble in water, so we can use term alkali for that. It contains more base or alkali in such type of base. Now after that, next we can see and we can write chemical reactions related to bases, and as these bases are they show different types of reactions. These reactions are, firstly we can write conduction. As you know, bases are also good conductors of electricity, just like the acids. As we have done activity there. Same activity you can write here, and in the whole apparatus at the place of acid you need to add base in that. So bases are good conductors of electricity. Next is reaction with metal. In order to write its reaction with metal, we can write its reaction with metals, as if we write its reaction with zinc and aluminium, there are two reactions to find, and please learn it properly because so many times in the board exam this reaction is asked. And if we write reaction of reaction of this base with metal, then we write this reaction: sodium hydroxide react with zinc metal and it forms sodium zincate, Na2ZnO2. This is sodium zincate. And water. Sorry, hydrogen gas. Water nahi niklega. Hydrogen gas is released in this case, as hydrogen is released in case of reaction of acid with metal. In the same way, when base react with metal, salt and hydrogen gas is released, but this compound formed is here sodium zincate. And when we write this reaction with, when we write this reaction with aluminium, then see what type of reaction we write. Sodium hydroxide reacts with aluminium, and in this case sodium aluminate, 2NaAlO2. Again it is salt. Please don't unmute yourself, keep your mic off. Sodium aluminate and hydrogen gas is released. Here balancing if needed you can do. And these names are also important because sometimes in equation, in question, it is also asked particularly that write the name of this compound. So this is sodium aluminate. Fine. Next reaction we can write of base with acid. Next reaction if we consider, that is reaction with acid. You know very well, and we have already done such type of reaction, and you know that when acid react with base, you also know the name of reaction. This is neutralization reaction, and salt and water is formed in this case. So this reaction is called a neutralization reaction because acid and base, they neutralizes each other. Fine. Next reaction we can write, that is reaction with water. How can we write? You know very well, as bases they are dissolved in water, then the reaction we can write is simply that bases they are dissolved in water. So we will write that when bases are dissolved in water, they give hydroxide ion. You can represent this water above the arrow also, and simply you can write the reaction as we have written in starting. We have already discussed this in case of acid also, that dissociation takes place only in the presence of water. In textbook questions also I am going to send you today till page number 25. I will send you all the question answers of all the parts we have done. So please do write those answers in your classwork copy, as well as definition of base you will write, classification of base you will write, then different reactions of base with the different chemicals and substances you will write. So all this work we as we are discussing today, you have to write. One more property of acid we can bases we can write, that is reaction with non-metallic oxide. And what that non-metallic oxide is, please everybody keep your mic mute, don't unmute yourself. As if we write here with the reaction with